Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video, we're discussing the reality that so many Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting right now. The rise in gas prices continue to increase. We also have a brand new report study about driver safety that we're going to be discussing, which is very, very real. And we're also waking up to the fact that a lot of these companies like Uber and Lyft and DoorDash and stuff, they deactivate drivers with no warning, and a lot of drivers are just fed up and they seek other jobs. So before I get started with the video, I want to hear from you. Have you quit driving for rideshare? What is your plan? I've heard a lot of drivers in our Facebook group with over 18,000 members now. We have a link below if you want to join. That drivers are quitting left and right. Every single day I see tons of messages. But at the same time, there's so many new drivers that are signing up as well. So before I get started, I want to tell you all about Current, which is helping drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. You get cash back on your gasoline fill-ups, and they also pay you 4% interest on your money. I actually signed up for Current just as a way to test it out myself here. And as you can see, I have $100 in there. I've gained 90 cents in interest. So, do a few rides, add in some money. I'm gonna have the link below to sign up for Current. And let's get started with the video. So there's a new report that just came out today, June 30th. It says, Uber says that SA are down, but which is can't say it without getting demonetized, but you guys know what I mean. There was a new report with basically crimes going on inside Uber rides, and they're, in my opinion, they're still pretty high, but they are down. But listen to this, the deaths are up with traffic deaths. That's scary. Because why? Because people drive like this. They drive with one hand on the wheel. You can't see my wheel. I got one hand on the wheel, and then one hand they're scrolling on TikTok. They're scrolling on Instagram. They're posting. People are posting videos. They're on the phone. They're texting on Instagram DMs, Facebook. Please comment. Are you a victim? Are you? I don't know what to say a victim, but have you been? Just be honest. Have you ever texted and drive before? We all know it's dangerous. Let's stop doing it. But listen to this. Uber said in a safety report on Thursday that the rate of fatal car crashes has increased. Company said 3,824 SA were reported on its US platform in 2019 and 2020, but 20 people were killed in assaults and 101 died in crashes. So 20 people, my friends. That is basically every other week somebody dies from an assault, and 2 people per week die in crashes in Uber rides. That's scary. The report was a sequel to Uber's initial report, which it released in 2019. Company committed to releasing reports every 2 years, but it said the new review had been slowed by a pandemic-related delay in 2020. Uber uses the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's methodology and data standards to analyze vehicle fatalities. So this is really, really important, my friends. Just, if you're driving for Uber and Lyft, just realize that you need to take an extra step to be safe driving. You should get a dash cam, number 1. Number 2 is you need to realize that the average driver, maybe they're driving on the road an hour a day, 2 hours a day. But as an Uber and a Lyft driver, you're driving sometimes 7-8 hours a day. Just by increasing that, you're literally on the road 4 to 5 times more than the average person. Driving is a dangerous activity. We all know that. So many people die in car crashes. So many people get into car accidents. So just realize this is a very big reality. And honestly, if let's say my sister asked me to be an Uber driver, my brother asked me to be an Uber driver, my best friend asked me if they wanted to be an Uber driver, I would honestly tell them, look, I don't know, just because I care about you so much, I want you to be safe, And maybe don't be a full-time driver, because there's so many people out on the road. I've gotten hit, guys, in my cars. I've made videos on this channel. I've gotten hit like 4 or 5 times in the past 6 months. People crashing into me. 3 times my car, I have 2 cars, three of those times, my cars were parked. I wasn't even in the car. And then 2 other times, I think 4 of the times my car was parked. The 5th time, I was driving and somebody turned in front of me to turn left from the opposing side, and that's a clear, I had the right of way just going straight, and he tried to beat in front of me and he didn't make it in time and literally almost killed us, because he almost literally died because his car was totaled and he ran into a tree afterwards. And I don't know, obviously I wasn't in their vehicle, but I can almost guarantee that those were because people were texting and driving. It's almost worse than drunk driving, I feel like. People are texting and they're just going around, blah, 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 they're speeding, and it's like, your head's down for a second, you're operating a 4,000-pound vehicle, 5,000-pound vehicle, whatever it is, 3,000 even still. These are deadly weapons, deadly machines. So, anyways, guys, I'm sorry for making this rant, but I'm not sorry, because this is really important. Just be cautious. And I've heard just by so many drivers that they're quitting because of this reality, and also because of, gas prices and inflation and the cost of driving. And I want to hear from you about the whole Tesla rental program. I know people have been it's been a big controversy. I think it's an amazing rental program, but a lot of people don't like it. So let me know your thoughts on it's like $330 a week to rent a Tesla. I thought that was an amazing deal, because you don't have to pay for maintenance on your car if you own it, and also wear and tear, depreciation, and then you don't even need to pay for gas. So I was like, yeah, you're paying $300 a week, $350 a week, but you're not, what's it called? But that price is probably less than what you would spend maintaining your personal vehicle. And anyways, so I'm gonna end the video there, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you quit, or if you plan to quit, or what your basically reality is with that, where you're at with that. And also sign up for Current using my link below. I have Current right here on my phone. Just do a quick walkthrough, guys. Yeah, I really love Current, to be honest. They get Uber drivers paid up to 2 days faster. They have no fees, no account minimums, no overdraft fees when you go negative $200, and they pay 4% APY, as you can see right here, earn 4%. I have $100 in there. I've earned 90 cents in interest so far. And yeah, guys, I really like Current, so check it out down below. Otherwise, what else? Oh, I have a link for Play Octopus. If you want to earn $100 extra per month, you can sign up for Play Octopus. It's a tablet you can put in your car. We got some links down below. Check them out, guys. You can make some extra money. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.